Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Kuan and I'm a mortgage specialist. I've been in the business of property financing since 2009. Among the few important clients that I have, one of them is the CEO of Securities Commission and another is the owner of Sweet Dream Mattress, just to name two. In this video, I would like to share what options do we have when considering to start a business or company. What is the most important matter when we wanted to start a company is obviously capital. So when we talk about to raise a capital of 1 million ringgit to start a company, and how many options do we have? Let me share with you. 1 million ringgit is required to start a company. Option number one, the most common one will be bank. What are the requirements that the bank need for a company to get a business loan or SME loan? It will be number one, the company must establish 3 years. Number two, this company must have a 2 years audited report or 2 years financial report in short. And number three, the company must make profit. So for a new startup company, option number one is definitely out. Okay, and what is the option number two? The option number two is very popular nowadays, where people will go to look for crowdfunding company or venture capital. The question is, do we have a very popular new idea, or do we have a very good solution to the problem that we are facing nowadays? If not, then we may consider option number three. Option number three is the government agency that you can look for. What I would like to share further is that the option number four, where how the individual director can use their own property to refinancing to cash out money, and from there to raise this capital. Let's look how. So option number four is property. Property that belongs to the directors who wanted to form a company on individual basis. So let's say there's 5 directors, and every one of them to refinancing their own property and cash out 200,000, and therefore they'll be able to raise a capital of 1 million and start their business. And next, why is it using the property mortgage loan financing to is better than the other loan option? Let me share with you. Okay. Comparison between home loan and others. What are the others possible loan that we can take? The director can take personal loan, credit card or credit card installment, overdraft, or even term loan. Number one, we are talking about comparing of interest. Home loan is the lowest as compared to the rest. Second, How about tenure? Home loan tenure is the longest, but the others is short. Number 3 is about transferable. So what is meant by transferable? When we take a housing loan, we no need to settle the housing loan until the whole tenure. One day, if we decided to stop this housing loan, what we can do is just we can sell the property. But the other loans is there is no way that we can transfer the debt. It must be settled fully by ourselves. And number 4, home loan is an amortization, full amortization loan. What does this mean is that despite the loan tenure maximum is 35 years, but when we choose or our business is doing well, where we have the money to settle the loan early, the balance of the interest will not be calculated. Whereas the other loans is running on flat rate. Despite we have the money to settle early, but the interest is already fully calculated upfront. So if you want to find out more, if you can refinancing your property to raise capital, kindly click the link below and fill up your information, and I'll keep in touch with you soon. Thank you.